Get a grip on the roundest fasteners with the Craftsman Extreme Grip 5-piece wrench set. This set features wrenches designed with adjusting levers and dual-sized open ends that deliver every ounce of gripping force needed to bust loose fasteners. The adjusting lever locks down a movable jaw to eat up slop around fastener heads, providing 5 times more gripping power to break nuts or bolts single-handedly. More points of contact ensure a better grip. When you can't reach the closed end over the bolt, just flip it over. The open end fits 2 different sizes, allowing you to spend more time working than reaching for the toolbox. And 15-degree offset box ends protect your knuckles from scraping against rough surfaces.
With a strong magnetic base and flexible shaft, the new Magnetic Flex LED work light by Kincrome easily mounts into any position. Featuring a 5-watt focusable LED with 390 lumens of brightness and an integrated dimmer switch, it's easy to adjust focus and brightness as well as manage the level of charge in the battery. The unit is fully rechargeable and comes packaged with a micro USB cable and adapter, allowing you to charge on any device with a USB output or standard wall power outlet. Ideal for mounting to metal frame mechanics creepers, the new Magnetic Flex LED work light is a versatile option for any trade application.
Right out of the bag, your Magic Creeper comes rolled and ready for use. Unroll it on the surface you plan to slide on. Sit down near the edge. This will maximize your sliding distance. Then start sliding under and out as needed. When you're done, roll it back up, reapply the elastic straps, and store it somewhere convenient for next time. Your creeper, when properly used, will give you 4 to 5 feet of travel lengthwise, and a couple feet from side to side. From pavement to gravel, grass to mulch, and even the obstacles in your shop, it slides on nearly any surface. The padded high-friction exterior with a low-friction interior combines to produce a super efficient surface for sliding on. Roll out.
Bei vergleichbaren Geräten werden die festgerostete Verschraubung, während die Hammerfunktion der Büschel, Steckschlüssel und Ringschlüssel verwendet. Der Ringschlüssel wird auf die Sechskantaufnahme gesteckt, der Steckschlüssel auf den Vierkant. Wenn der Meißel vibriert und so den Rost löst, kann die Verschraubung mit dem Ringschlüssel betätigt werden, bis sich diese löst. Die Hammermeißel werden für verschiedene Trennarten. Mit dem Blechtrennmeißel lässt sich beispielsweise hervorragend Blech von Verkleidungen oder Ähnlichem trennen.